Hello, my dear lovely kids. Welcome back to our computer class. I hope you are all doing well at home. Children, as you know, we are studying our chapter 9, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In this chapter today, we are going to start the topic adding a new slide and also going to finish this chapter today. So let's start. So children, let's start our today's first topic, which is adding a new slide. If you want to add new slide in your presentation, do the following steps. While creating a presentation, you may need to insert new slide in it. As per our need, we need to enter new slide in our presentation. Like this, these all are slides. So this way, we can add one or more slides in our presentation. You can add any number of slides to your presentation as needed. Whenever we add a new slide in our presentation, we must select its layout first. We have to first select the layout of the slide from the new slide button, and these are the layouts of slide. Either it is only title slide, title and content, section header slide, to content, comparison, title only. So this type of layouts are available. From this you can choose any one for your new slide. Now open an existing presentation. For example, my presentation. Here one presentation is opened which name is my presentation, and it has only one slide in it. You can see here only one slide. Now click on the drop down arrow next to the new slide button in the slides group on the home tab. Here you can see this is new slide button on the home tab. When you click on this new slide button, it will show us the layout of the slide. A list of available slide layouts is displayed. From these layouts, you have to select any one as per your need. Now click on the desired layout. You can see here PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the corner center of the PowerPoint window. Here you can see this is our new slide, and this layout is of two parts of the slide. The new slide can also be seen in the slides tab on the left. Here you can see in the slide tab the new slide can be seen. Quick view is there. To insert a new slide, press Ctrl+M. Ctrl+M is a shortcut key which we can use to add new slide in our presentation. Ctrl and M key both press together to add new slide in your presentation. Now our next topic is adding pictures to the title and content slide. Now let's learn how can we add pictures in our title slide and in content slide also. Insert a title and content slide to the presentation. Here you can see these both slides are empty. Now click on the Insert tab and select the picture option from the Images group. Here you can see this is our Insert tab. Click on this. It will open. Inside it, Image group is there. In the Image group, Picture option is there. You can see on the screen this. Now click on this. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. You can see here Insert Picture dialog box open on the screen. Now choose the folder where the picture is stored. My picture is on desktop, so I select desktop. It is desktop and go down using scroll bar. It is my picture. So click on this, select it and click on now Insert button at the bottom side. So you can see the picture will appear on the slide like this. So this way you can add pictures in your presentation or any slide, and these are the resize points of the picture. From here you can increase or decrease the size of the picture, and also you can rotate the picture. Now let's know more. To resize the picture, click on the corner sizing handles. While holding down the mouse button, drag the size handle as per your need and release the mouse button. As we seen, we can resize our picture. Our next topic is slideshow. Slideshow means we have to show our all slides that we have prepared. Microsoft PowerPoint provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. we can present our all slides as a slideshow on the full screen. So it provides by Microsoft PowerPoint. It is just like the pictures in a photo album. One by one, each and every slide in order came, and in that slide we can read and see the content. This is called slideshow. It displays all the slides in a presentation one by one on the screen. To run a slideshow, follow the steps given below. Here, click on the slideshow tab and select either of the following options in the Start Slideshow group. You can see this is the slideshow tab, and in these 4 options are there for slideshow. From beginning, from current slide, broadcast slideshow and custom slideshow. These are the 4 options. From this you can choose any one. Let's get detailed information about it. From beginning, start the slideshow from the first slide. From current slide, start the slideshow from the slide you are currently working on. You can see in the background, at the back side, you can see our second slide is open, and when we choose from the current slide, it will start slideshow from the second slide. Because we are just now working on the second slide. Custom slideshow. It displays only the slides you select. Here choice are there, so we can choose any slide for slideshow. Broadcast slideshow. This feature broadcasts the slide how to remote viewers who can watch it through web browser. This option broadcasts the slideshow on the internet, and we can see the slideshow on the web browser. So children, this way we can add new slide and add pictures in slide and make a slideshow of our beautiful slides in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Here our chapter 9 and last chapter is over here. In next class we will do the exercise of this chapter. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.